Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to install Dynamic Island on any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to get and install Dynamic Island, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Play Store and install a third-party app for this because there is no any built-in feature. So you must have to go for search and here simply search for Dynamic Island. Simply search for that and here you must have to install this app. Just tap on install and it will be installed on your phone. You just have to wait for its installation and then we'll have a setup. After the installation, just tap on open to open the app, and here you just have to enable and allow some permissions. So just tap on next option, then tap on done, and here you just have to enable these permissions. First select the first option, and here you must have to select the apps for which you want to enable Dynamic Island. For example, I'm going to select all apps. Just tap on this all option, then go back, and here just select notification access, and here you must have to select dynamicSpot and enable that. Just tap on allow, then tap on draw on screen, then tap on allow option, and here just tap on next, and here you must have to look for installed apps, then go for dynamicSpot option, then enable the setting for this, then tap on allow. Now tap on data protection, and here tap on done. Just tap on this cross option in the top right corner, and here your dynamicSpot is ready. Now if you're playing any music or you'll have any notifications, so you will get a dynamicSpot in this section. So for example, I'm going to play a music. So I am playing a music and I have a dynamic island here. You can control your music from here. So that's how you can easily install Dynamic Island in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.